rock as fuck.
It teeter-totters too when you get on it.
I like all the super tight bearings on the rock.
I do too, man. Thank you. Yeah. I was thinking about y'all when I made this.
You did something right.
You got that? You got teeter-totter rock? You did good? That's nice.
I tried to move it. It won't move. It's literally stuck, but it still teeter-totters.
Yeah, cool.
So it's stable.
You're the only thing I've done right all day, Dave. You know that thing.
So this is the spot, Keith, where we're gonna see who does it. Today. But I want somebody to spot right here. I don't want anybody to fall into this. So look, you can roll all the way back, yeah, to there. Hey! Look, I bet if you get up over that last rock, you'll make it. It's got good pointy traction.
You don't make it on one. It's just so scary because these rocks are so slippery right now.
Yep. Yeah, let's just do it. Let me go pull the front wheel.
You gotta make it.
Ready? That was easier.
Maybe if you jump that ledge.
Yeah, you got to come out with a little speed. That seems wild, but you got to be on the gas, right?
Oh, that's gonna take some.
Cojones.
Yeah. You gotta be on it.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I figured either way.
All right.
Good stuff.
What you think, Dave? Not, what'd you say? What? Not enough noise? Oh! All right. Can you pull it over that way a little bit?
It's looking pretty well, actually.
I missed. Steer after doing that. I missed entry.
Hey!
There it is. Yeah, you're right. You just look here. Yep.
Yeah, that's right.
Unless you wheelie and
Now anybody can do it. See, that was my point.
Dave? That is a little root.
oh, wait. Okay, go ahead.
Hey, maybe we should throw rocks at him.
Yeah. When he falls off at the top.
If he falls.
Yeah, throw it. Yeah. Direction. Like a dog.
Yeah!
The rocks totally helped him.
Yeah! Told you anybody could do it now.
He had so much traction on all his rocks.
How did you use them? Did you roll right over them?
Isn't that card?
Oh, he hit him, yeah. Oh!
He did not use the rocks. But he
Hey, Sean, roll his front tire. Grab his tire. I got it. He's good. Oh, whoa, don't do that. Hey!
So close. Getting past that is.
Dude, it's so hard.
Yeah, that's angry.
There it is. On the bike that time.